with all that masturbation, my forearm should be jacked. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a very long time. Excuse my AC's running. It's like 98 degrees out right now here in Connecticut. My allergies been kicking my ass for a good part of 2 months now. But I went to the Mitsubishi dealership Friday. I got an oil change, my tires rotated, and I noticed that my car was making this funny like hamster wheel noise, squeaking. Come to find out, my driver's side left back rear tire, the rotor and the brake pads are shot, and I need to replace them. And they gave me a quote on replacing them. Actually, I crossed it out. Unfortunately, I can't do just one side. I got to do the opposite side as well, so I can do the right rear side as well. So they want $443 and 28 cents or whatever. Well, needless to say, it's going to come out to $1,200. Here in Connecticut and Hartford, they charge $139 in labor. So keep that in mind. So it's going to be very pricey to do both sides. So my buddy Kevin told me go to rockauto.com and order yourself the rear stuff from there. I lost the side note. I lost the key fob for my car someplace while doing a delivery. So I'm down one set of keys now. So they want $163.32 to program a key fob for me. So I got to save some money. But needless to say, back to the brakes and whatnot. Friend Kevin, who I knew from his old, where he used to work here in Watertown, Mitsubishi, they closed up, and we've been friends ever since I brought my car to him. And he's been helping me out, like deducting like money and whatnot, which is fine and cool. I appreciate it. He told me to go to rockauto.com. So I did that. I was gonna pick up a set of front and rear for $413. It was from Stoptech. I was just about to pull the trigger and do that, but instead something popped in my head, and I remembered my sister sent me gift cards for my birthday and Christmas. So I had $150 worth of gift cards or whatever. So I spent that at MA Performance. So I thank MA Performance for shipping this out. I bought this Friday when I got back from the dealership. I bought myself a Stoptech rear kit. Everything would have came to like a $402 or $405 and change. But since I had those gift cards my sister gave me, it dropped the price down. I paid like $252 and change for everything, for the rear kit. So I did that, and that's what I'm going to open right now is the rear kit from Stoptech. Mitsubishi wants nothing but Brembo on the EVOs, and I wasn't having anything of it. I wasn't going to pay that kind of ridiculous money. Although you probably stop a lot better than Stoptech. I don't know. That's what I've been told, but I hear Stoptech's a great company as well. So we'll find out. You probably see my address, but whatever. If you guys want to send me shirts, posters, whatever. So I do appreciate MA Performance for shipping this out really fast. I was honestly like blown away to find this in my back door today. And as you can tell, I don't know what bird craps like that, but it's disgusting. But anyway. So I can't wait to get these installed. Unfortunately, my buddy Eric is already booked up. He doesn't really have anything, any free time during the weekend to work on the car anymore. Because he's building his BMW, he's doing his race days and stuff like that, which is fine. So most likely I'll go back to Mitsubishi dealership and have my buddy Kevin either do this on the side at his house, and I'll throw him a few extra bucks, or maybe he could somehow finagle the pricing at the end of the installation at the shop. But who knows? I gotta talk to him. I gotta find out how much he wants to charge me and all that jazz. So I don't know if I want to take these out. Screw it. These things are heavy as hell. Unless I'm just weak. Gotta start doing steroids. Like, with all that masturbation, my forearm should be jacked. All right, let's open these puppies up. I don't want to spill my beer, so I'm going to put this off to the side. Hot day deserves a nice cold brew. I guess you could see that. I'm not going to open up the bag. I'm going to leave it in the bag in its little blue case, but this is what the rotor is going to look like. These are a lot different from what... I don't have these on the car. It didn't come with these rotors on my car. But that's nice. I can't believe how heavy that stuff is. Jesus. Alright. Let's see if I can put this down. Let's open this bad boy up. Stainless steel brake lines. Wow, these look nice. I think stainless steel anything looks nice, especially brake lines or lines in general. That's good. That's nice. And for some reason they didn't throw in the invoice, but okay. It is what it is. And these are the pads. Maybe I might have my buddy Josh do this if he wants. I'll throw him a couple extra bucks if he's willing to do this, which I highly doubt he will, because he's a little lazy every once in a while. So this is what I got, the Stoptech. That. So I'm excited to get these back. These, not back, but I'm excited to get these on the car installed, because going down the street, driving a nice EVO like that, the white one, well, the only EVO, as you can tell, I'm driving down the road and all you hear is like a squeaky hamster wheel. It's very embarrassing, especially on a high performance car. It's so ghetto. So I've been blasting my my punk rock music loudly, so I don't have to hear the squealing noise. And when you come to a stop, it grinds like a son of a bitch. I mean, honest to God, it sounds like it's like I'm dragging something on the ground. At first, I thought it was my exhaust that rotted out somehow, or it fell on the ground and I was dragging that. That's what it sounded like. But this is this god-awful grinding noise. No thanks to that rear rotor brake. So hopefully I'll get these I should say installed and we'd be good to go. Like I said earlier, I'm thinking about buying the fronts, but it's like 400 bucks, and if I can get the money up quickly enough, I'll buy it and I'll have the dealership or my friend put all of them on all at the same time, so everything would balance out, so I don't have to worry about anything for a very long time. So this is what I got. I'm excited. I'll leave the link down in the description below. If I do go to the shop and I have my buddy install at the dealership, I'll ask him if I can get back there and I'll start filming the install process of this. But if not, I'll leave it like this. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I should just wait and get the front kit as well, or I should just go ahead and install the rear for the time being and then just wait and save my money and buy the front kit later on down the road in a few months from now. Just let me know. So I think just doing everything all at once, the front and the backs at the same time, would be a lot better than doing the backs, then waiting like 2 to 3 months to get the front kit while this kit's already been wearing thin and whatnot. But I know these aren't going to wear thin very easily. And honest to God, I don't treat my car like a race car, although maybe I should. But I daily drive it back and forth to work. I get on it every once in a while. I know what it can do, but I'm not going to the track. So that's pretty much it. And you're more than welcome to say, then why the hell did you buy an EVO then if you're not going to beat the shit out of it? That's just me. I don't have the cash to, I don't know. It's just me. So at any rate, thank you. And hopefully I'll catch you guys later.